Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. I have an unboxing video. I got an Amazon package. So let me turn you around and I will show you what I got on Amazon. All right. Hard to do this with one hand, I'm sorry. So this is what I received today in the mail. It is the solar animal repeller. It's got the fancy lights. It repels raccoons, deer, and skunks. We all know I have a problem with raccoons, but it's nice that it does all of these. It's going to be wonderful to put out in the garden. So I'm going to go ahead and, oops, don't know if I can do this one-handed. Okay, so this is a 2-pack. It is a solar animal repeller, and it will scare away skunks, raccoons, and deer from my garden. So there it is. It's got the little thing on there. It's got the scary eyes and on-off switch, and just an easy one screw to hang it on a post. All right, we're going to try these out this week, and I will get back to you and let you know how they work. And they are already charged. See, the lights are flashing when I cover the solar panel, and they don't when I... So they are actually all ready to go. I won't even need to charge them up today, but I'm going to put them in the window and charge them anyway. But yeah, I think this is going to be pretty handy. I'm excited to try them out, and I will put the link down below so you can order them as well. And while this is not a paid endorsement, I do want to let you know that these were sent to me free to review. All right, so thank you very much to the company for sending them to me to review. You have a great day, Rebel Canners. Don't forget to check out other videos in our home gardening series.
Like, follow, and share. Turn your notifications on. See you back in another video.